This is something that everyone is struggling with because everyone is like, go, 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 go. Like, why? It's very Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Nada Kwan. Please do well to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Like, why haven't you subscribed to this beautiful girl's channel? I might be your next favorite YouTuber, you never know. So please do well to subscribe to this channel. I create content based on beauty, fashion and lifestyle, and a little bit of advice here and there. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving my girlies 7 beauty mistakes to avoid as a high-class lady. As a high-class lady, your looks are very important. The way you take care of yourself physically is very important. Okay, the first beauty mistake to avoid as a high-class lady is not getting enough rest. I get that we have work to do, but then take as much time as you can to rest when you can. It's a way of honoring your body too. So you honor your body by getting enough rest daily so that your body can thank you later. Okay, and getting enough rest is going to show on your skin, like how your skin looks. Your skin is going to function at its highest level and you're going to be glowing. Everyone's going to be asking you like, what do you do? It's not really anything that you do, you just take enough rest. So it's very important. I feel like this is something that everyone is struggling with because everyone is like, go, 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 go. But you have to take time, stop, breathe and rest. The next beauty mistake to avoid as a high-class lady is not staying hydrated. These are the two things that everyone is struggling with, including myself. Okay, you're not the only ones. But please stay hydrated because when you are hydrated, it flushes out all the toxins in your body. Drink like 6 to 8 glasses of water in a day. Okay, if you feel like you can't keep up, then buy those big bottles, those very big bottles where like your drinking is measured or timed or whatever it's called. You can get those things to track your hydration. The next beauty mistake to avoid is cakey makeup. Please, I think I've mentioned this before. Cakey makeup, like, why? Your makeup should be smooth and flawless like your skin. Like, get into this makeup. It's not doing too much, but I'm looking very simple and classy. This is my full glam, to be honest. This is a full glam makeup and it still looks very simple. So there's no excuse really. The fact that you do a full glam doesn't mean that your makeup should be cakey. Like, that's not, no. The most ladylike way to style your makeup is to wear neutral colors or natural colors and accent your facial features. Your makeup should be applied evenly, no scratches here and there. Like I've said it before in my other videos that there are so many makeup tutorials on YouTube, so please do well. It's an investment. Take your time and go through these videos and see what works best for you to avoid these cakey makeup. Okay, because first impressions count too. First impressions count. Somebody will see your makeup and it's cakey and it will scare them and they won't even approach you when they want to. You get, it's so hot. This makeup mistake is another one because how can you go to sleep without removing your makeup? This is a beauty mistake that we have to avoid because it affects your skin in so many ways. I never do that. This is something that I can say like boldly that I never do unless I'm super tired. Like, I don't remember the last time I did something like that. I've done it before, but maybe like just once. Even this year, like just once. I remember there was one time I was so busy filming back to back, like sit downs and then going up and down for errands at the same time, and I was really tired. So when I got back, I couldn't even stand on my feet. I don't even remember how I slept. But unless like those things. Like, it should be once in a while. It shouldn't be something that happens every time. Like, you shouldn't be going to sleep with your makeup every single day. No. At the end of the day, removing your makeup is a very great way to take care of your skin properly so that you can maintain a good and glowy skin. Okay, so please do well to remove your makeup at the end of each day. You don't have to sleep with your makeup. No, let's not do that. As high class ladies, let's not do that. The next beauty mistake to avoid as a high class lady is untidy hair. Okay, like I said, physical appearance is very important, in as much as your spiritual growth and knowledge and mental whatever. Your physical appearance is very important. Okay, so you need to keep your hair tidy. Whenever I watch Aaliyah's face, like whenever I watch her videos, she's always so concerned about how her hair is looking. And like the very first times that I actually started watching her videos, I'm always like, is it that deep? Why are you so like concerned about your hair? And it's like maybe just a strand like this, and she's so concerned, like she's so concerned that her hair is not looking good. Like, but I get it now, to be honest. I get it. Since I started this journey myself, I actually get it. I get her now. It's very important. Like, you always have to look kept together. So you use the right product to eliminate frizz in your hair, and you don't have to do so much to your hair, to be honest. You just have to keep your hair very simple and neat. It can be any kind of hair at all. So for us, it's neat. It's going to say a lot about you. I don't want to say certain things that will make other people take things personal, but me personally, I don't feel like there's a need to do like very bright colored hair, like pink and blue. Like, just stick to the neutral colors. Maybe brown. I do like brown. I've even thought of dyeing my actual hair brown before, or ginger, which is fine. But like pink braids, which you can even tell the difference between the braid itself and then your actual hair in the braids. It's very, I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say, but anyways, you can do it, and so for us it looks neat, it will look good. So yeah, that's me personally. I don't like using such colors for my hair, but then if you are somebody who likes that, just make sure that your hair is looking neat. You don't have to follow whatever I say. Do as you please. Just make sure that your hair looks neat and simple. The next beauty mistake that I'm going to advise you avoid as a high class lady is chipped polish on nails. Your nail polish should always be on point. There should be no scratches. As soon as your nail polish starts chipping off, it's time to remove them and get new ones. You don't have to leave them on for like, girl, it's not cool. It doesn't make your hand look attractive. Like I said, physical appearance is very important. So literally everything about you physically should look good. Like, what if you don't have nice hands and then you do nails and then the polish is chipping off? It makes everything like, it's not a nice look. So whenever your polish starts to chip off your nails, just know that it's time to remove them and just get new polish. You can even do it yourself. I do my nails myself, but if you can't, just take them off then, and then have your own nails. Make sure your fingers look neat, cute, whether long or short. I actually do not mind for long nails or short nails. So far as you know how to handle things with your nails, that's okay. Me personally, I prefer short nails because I feel like it helps me to do so many things, because I do so many things, and I don't think long nails will help me. Like, it will make things more difficult for me and waste a lot of my time. So I just go with short nails. But if you have long nails and you are able to use them, there's nothing wrong with that. And I also prefer like using simple colors on my nails. I've used this color today. I just like to use neutral colors, nude, white, brown, those colors. If you like to use bright colors, I mean, that's you. go ahead with that. But I feel like using neutral colors makes you look simple and like calm. I don't know, it just gives a different vibe to me. So that's me, which actually brings me to my last point: ashy fingertips and ashy feet. I'm brown skinned, so when I'm ashy it's very obvious and it doesn't look good. You always have to make sure that you are moisturized. No ashy hands, no ashy elbows, no ashy nothing. Okay, always wear lotion to keep them moisturized. Taking care of your hands and feet are equally important parts of self-care. So this pretty much brings me to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, there's not anything personal, so please don't take anything I'm saying personally. It's really not that deep. And yeah, let me know if there are other beauty mistakes that you think like we should avoid. Maybe I've not mentioned everything. Let me know in the comment section, and let me know what you are guilty of. Which beauty mistake are you guilty of? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to continue seeing me on here, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.